Disconnect your battery. Release your fuel cap. Remove the bolt with a spanner and a socket. The first washer. Remove the bolts with 2 spanners. The second washer. The third washer. Remove the bolt with 2 spanners. The fourth washer. The fifth washer. Clean the fuel. Remove the 10mm bolt. Old filter is out. Match with your new filter. Install new filter with the right direction. Install the bracket and bolt, but leave them loose to adjust the filter angle. The new bolt hole is smaller than OEM. File it bigger to the same size as OEM.
A few moments later.
Now they are the same size. Roll the seal clockwise. Do not loose or remove this small bolt. Oil leaks. Install new washers comes with your new filter. The first washer. The second washer. Use a spanner to hold the filter. 22 Newton meters. The third washer. The fourth washer. You can take the filter out to install this bolt if you have trouble to install it. Tighten this bolt after 22 Newton meters. The fifth washer. (12 Newton meters). Make sure you decide the angle of your gauge first. Do not try to tighten this bolt all the way in. Only hand tighten, otherwise it snaps. Do not tighten with the gauge. Only tighten by the small bolt with a spanner. Mind the direction of your gauge and only hand tighten slowly. Do not try to tighten the gauge all the way in. It snaps. Gauge is ready. Close your fuel cap and connect your battery. Turn the ignition to create fuel pressure. 36 psi. Pump the fuel 2 times more. Check if any leaks. Start the engine if no leaks. Check again if any leaks. (33 psi). Remove the fuel regulator hose to check psi. (41 psi). Done. Prelude.